So this is the wizard loading it directly from no. And then, so the bill hold was set to no. And then you're putting it on an invoice. And when that's finished, we'll try to update it in the wizard.
And Andrew, you should have in your email the script modified as we ran it the last time.
Yeah, it would be
okay.
good if you could get
Request finished. So let's check the new status of the event. So here is it, been built.
Right. So now just
Good to know.
and try and do the updates
okay.
in the wizard like you were.
Yeah.
And then we'll maybe do a third one where we don't use the wizard and we do it through the API.
Now, can you close that screen in Oracle just to be fair with
the locks?
Yeah. Thank you.
That one's fine. Yeah.
Sorry, can you do one thing first? Like instead of doing that, can you download the event? As an
sure. Where's the event number? Over here. Oh,
about fifth down is the event number. So you get them both. So the billing holders know.
Yeah, but let's put it to yes.
Yeah. And then upload.
So it build, yeah. I need to empty the.
You could probably take that currency section off the sheet. No,
yeah, let's try again.
Okay, so I think what's probably changed is that you've got a refresh, and maybe the patch is been right. It hasn't done the update. So the original reason for the case being open was that it was updating. Is that right?
Why doesn't allow me now to update the event, whereas
I think
in the past I was able to?
I think the API. What happened with those patches that they were recommending you put in? Did they get it applied?
No, they didn't suggest to apply a patch.
I'm not talking about.
They only told us.
I mean, in the case history for your support ticket with us, Brad was mentioning a particular update case, and he asked you to add some text, add a service request. Did that not get applied?
Not that I recall.
I mean, am I right in assuming that that's the correct behavior that we've just seen then?
It's looking like it's indeed the expected behavior.
I mean, these sort of errors can creep in Oracle test environments. So your refresh might have been the thing that solved the problem.
and because we ran the script, could that be the case that we can't update it anymore?
No, the thing that the script, the only thing that we did, Alex, we were doing exactly what we are doing on the wizard, but we did that calling just the API. Then with that, we take away any problem that could be with the wizard. Then we say, okay, it's a problem the API. If the problem is the API, then we go to the next one. You know what I mean? Then we're trying to isolate the issue. Now, here what we did was to run we ran the script. The script is running okay because that was the first thing that we came here, that you guys were unable to run the script that we asked you to run. Yeah. Now that we know that the script is running, we are going to the problem. Then the problem was that you are trying to update something. Here the wizard is telling you that cannot update something for some reason, right?
Yeah.
Then is that the behavior that you are expecting or not? That is or is what Oracle should do or not?
Okay, let me try one last scenario, because I believe for the issue I reported, I also had an amount for revenue. So let's.
Then the script, the only thing that we did was run the script that we asked you to run, and you guys were unable to run. Then we want to know if it was a problem with the script or was a problem with the way that you guys were running it, and definitely was a problem with the way that was being run. We fix that, and then just that will help us to analyze the problem if the problem continues.
I think the issue is that the error was tripping out, and now it's not. So what we just saw then, correct me if I'm wrong, Alex, but what we just saw then is correct, that it shouldn't allow you to do those updates.
Correct.
The belief was that prior to that, the wizard was allowing it. So it is possible that something changed on the database side. Maybe it's quite possible that if you've just done a refresh, you've backed out some patches in some other areas that you haven't wanted to take to prod, and it could have an impact and actually fix this problem. I've seen it happen on our test instances are a mess.
Wait a second, Andrew. Can you download download again the don't do what you are doing now. Just download.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
The event. You don't need to delete that. Just can download it in a different line. You should have it there in the. You have it in the event ID. You have it on the screen.
Yeah, evidently.
Okay, then now do the update.
I changed the value. Yep. That was the issue.
Okay. Then
only
now,
when we have a revenue amount, then it accepts.
Then can you go to Oracle and see if that changed went or not?
I see. That's the issue. Now it has been updated.
Okay, then can I ask you for a favor? Can you change that back to no? Yeah, it's not going to let you in Oracle, but do it through the wizard. Like download again the event.
Yeah, that's possible. Yeah, so I could.
Because now what we will do, now we will use the script that we were using before.
The script indeed to check. Yeah. All right.
Then Chris, are you still there?
Yes.
You need to delete the upload
Oh, right,
status.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Can you go to Oracle and review it?
Yeah, just check that it did the update.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
it's been set to
Then,
no again. Yeah.
then
Now run the script. Yeah.
can you stop sharing your screen for 1 second?
Yeah.
Then Chris, can you share your screen with the SQL Plus client or the SQL developer?
Okay. Yeah. There we go.
Then what we will do now, we will change back. We will go up to change the event number and the event ID.
Okay.
Then the event number, we will put number 3 in the top there. P event number, you will change that to 3.
All right.
And can you give me the event ID?
Sure, yeah.
Alex, it's 534.
Probably 82, you'd imagine.
Just tell us the number.
Yeah, 5346483. 5346483.
Yeah, and can you go to the P adjusting revenue flag to Y? Okay.
And maybe
then,
put in the bill trans revenue amount also set to 1,000.
yes.
This one.
Yeah.
All right.
Then execute the query. Execute the.
Right, and commit. If you can commit it now.
Okay. Done.
Then even the API doesn't give any error. Okay.
Yeah. So it's be good to check it in Oracle now and see if that update happened.
Yeah, let me check.
You want me to stop the share?
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well. We're recording it now, so it'll be good to have it documented.
Then if you can share your screen, Alex.
Yeah.
Sorry for all the back and forth there.
No worries.
I am in Canada and I have to say sorry.
All right. Yeah, you can see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah, we can.
All right. Let me.
Then if you see, Alex, what we are doing really in the wizard, we are just calling the API. Then the API, the Oracle API, is the one that is allowing to change that build hold flag to yes or no. Even in the application, you are unable to do it. That is a problem with the API.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
yeah. And
I agree.
This is where Brad came in and he had that suggested patch that he found.
Then we were just trying to prove that it's not something that we are doing different on the wizard. We are just calling the API and telling the API to do something. But the API is allowing us to do it. Then it's no way that we can put it. But we can put a control probably because the API had a problem. But probably we can check with Oracle if that API has an update or is a patch or something that fixes it. If no, probably we will need to fix that on the wizard, but in a different way, not through the API.
Yeah, and if you read through the case history, Brad was reluctant to put a validation onto it because of performance. If he got desperate, I'm sure they would do that. But the first step is to take Oracle, that script that we just ran, the one that's on Chris's developer window, just copy and paste that text into SAR and then just describe that when you called that with a revenue amount, when you had invoice, that it allowed an update, which the form wouldn't allow you to do, basically.
Yeah. This basically the script that.
So we're happy to help you with the SR process, but we can't raise it because we don't have that level of support because we're only a partner.
Yeah. No, what I will do is I will update the ESR. I will attach a script we just ran And maybe we need an also on WebEx with an Oracle support engineer, and to have Chris run the script again to get them convinced it's within the API.
Yep.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
can,
Okay,
and,
but
and then at the end of the day, it's not what you need to run is not the wizard. You need to run just the API script. Show it to them. Say, look, I'm changing this to no to yes. When I go to the screen, it doesn't let me do it. Then it's just the API that had a problem.
Indeed. Yeah. Well, we have proof.
Yeah. Now that we've got that script, you can take that level of confusion out, because obviously they'd like to blame it on us. But if you can show that it's independent of the wizard, then you can get to the reason a bit quicker.
Yeah, makes sense.
Well,
thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, if you want to update our support ticket with the text that you put in there, then Brad can take a look and make sure he agrees with the wording. If if he thinks there's any ambiguity, he can help you out with that. But yeah, put it onto Oracle, and then if we have to follow it up, we'll do that after the fact.
All right, Chris, do you mind sharing, sending me that script with the updated parameters just ran?
Sure. Yeah, I'll send it.
All right, excellent. Okay, all right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for your time, Alex. I apologize about last week.
Thanks for taking time.
We just dropped the ball on you a bit there.
Thank you for your patience.
No worries.
Take care.
All right.
Good afternoon, fellas.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Chris. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Cheers, mate.